How to use Form I-485 to adjust status to green card holder by CitizenPath. In the U.S. immigration system, there are two basic ways to apply for permanent resident status, also known as green card status. Most people apply at a U.S. embassy or consulate outside the United States, but certain people who are already inside the U.S. can use a second path called adjustment of status. If eligible, they may file Form I-485 to adjust from a temporary status to a permanent resident. There are several requirements for green card eligibility. Two of the basic requirements to file Form I-485: the applicant must be physically present inside the United States through a lawful entry. In other words, you must have been legally admitted or paroled into the U.S. For most people, this means that you entered the U.S. with valid documentation and made face-to-face contact with a U.S. immigration officer, and that officer acknowledged your entry to the United States. If you entered with a valid non-immigrant visa, but that visa has since expired, you still had a lawful entry. The applicant must also have an immigrant visa immediately available to them. An immigrant visa is a visa for permanent immigration. Most people know it as a green card. An immigrant visa is always available to the spouse, parents, and unmarried children under 21 years old of U.S. citizens. Other types of relationships may or may not be able to adjust status, depending on the availability of an immigrant visa. Although requirements vary based on the immigrant category you will use to apply, here's what most family-based applicants need to have ready in order to prepare the application. I-94 Arrival Departure Record and Passport. Immigrant Visa Receipt Notice if previously filed. 5 years of address history. 5 years of employment history. Details about your family and marital history. Details about organizations or groups you've participated in. Preparing Form I-485 can be intimidating, and it is important that you understand the questions, but most people can do it without using a lawyer. A well-prepared application package is the best way to ensure a quick processing time and successful result. CitizenPath offers an affordable service to prepare Form I-485 correctly. It even includes a money-back guarantee that USCIS will approve your application. Created by immigration attorneys, CitizenPath's Adjustment of Status package will make the forms easy and give you alerts if there's a problem. You'll also receive detailed filing instructions so you know exactly which supporting documents to submit with your application. Get started and check your eligibility for free. You don't have to pay until you're finished. The typical family-based I-485 application package includes the following mandatory forms: I-485, application to register permanent residence or adjust status; I-130, petition for alien relative; I-130A, supplement if the beneficiary is a spouse; I-864, affidavit of support; I-693, report of medical examination and vaccination record. Applicants may optionally apply for work authorization and travel authorization during the period they are waiting for a green card. If they want these benefits, they must submit these additional forms: I-765, application for employment authorization; I-131, application for travel document. Each immigrant category has unique requirements for eligibility and supporting documentation. Refer to the USCIS instructions for details, or use CitizenPath to prepare the application for your specific situation. For more detailed information on supporting documents, processing times, and fees, visit the links in the description of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Subscribe to CitizenPath for more content that will make your immigration journey easier.